Hi everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Patil here. Today I am going to talk on blackhead. Another name for blackhead is a komedo. In the photograph you can see a material which is having a whitish body whereas a blackish head. Hence the name a blackhead. Blackhead is a result of clogged hair follicle. Some skin debris combines with oil and block the follicle. You can see here in the photograph, hair follicle is attached with some other tubular structures which are secreting oily kind of structures like keratin, sebum, etc., which comes into the skin through the hair follicle. If this passage by any means get blocked, then the material which is secreted is get clogged inside that, and the exposed part to the atmosphere that will turn black because of the oxidation, and the part which is protected inside that will remain whitish. So oxidation of clogged material causes the blackheads to be black. And what are the other causes for the blackhead? Washing or scrubbing of the skin too much could make it worse by irritating the skin. So anything which is irritating the skin continuously, so that will become a causative factor for the development of blackheads. And there are some skin products also which are irritating to the skin, might increase the comedons by blocking the pores. There is no any evidence about the influence of dietary products on the blackheads, and ingrown hairs which has not come out from the hair follicle, so that may block the follicle and lead to formation of the blackhead. So anything which is blocking the passage, that will lead into a formation of blackheads. Comedons may be more common in some ethnic groups like in Africans and all is commonly seen. And what is the pathophysiology? What is the how it develops? Excess keratin with sebum, these are the material which is secreted into the hair follicle, can obstruct the opening of the follicle. So once it get obstructed, if the sebum continue to build up behind the obstruction, then it can enlarge and form a visible komedo. Blackhead is open to the air, that is because of the oxidation the exposed part will turn into black. If it is covered by the skin, then it is becomes a white head. Blackheads which is exceeding the size of more than 1 mm, those are called as macrocomedons. I repeat, macrocomedons. Solar comedons are related to many years of exposure to the sun. These are commonly seen in the elder age groups and who are continuously exposed to the sun rays. In those peoples we can see the solar comedons. And what is the treatment for this? Using non-oily, non-irritating cosmetics will help to prevent the comedons, and many times a squeezing, gentle squeezing will remove the whitehead or blackhead, but we should take care, you should not damage the skin. And many times we can use the comedone extractor, so which is easily available on the online shops. If you want, I'll give the description of that link. And using aloe vera and fruit derived acids will helpful to prevent the skin irritation. And for the macro comedons which are large in size, those comedone extraction needs expertization. So this is all about the whitehead, blackhead and comedons. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.